Hi, I'm Kevin. Welcome to today's members-only video. And our topic for discussion today is healthy lifestyle habits. Let's get started. All right, let's proceed with today's IELTS listening, speaking, reading, and writing mock exam practice. First, we will watch a video and then answer the questions posed by the IELTS examiner based on the video's content.
Hi, I'm Kevin. Let me tell you about my daily routine that keeps me healthy and happy. I believe that a good start to the day is essential, so every morning I begin with a refreshing jog in the park. It helps me wake up and feel energized for the busy day ahead. It's not only good for my body, but also helps me clear my mind. After my jog, I eat a nutritious breakfast, usually oats with fresh fruits and a cup of yogurt. I've found that starting the day with a healthy meal is great for maintaining my energy levels. I also make sure to drink water throughout the morning to stay hydrated. At work, I try to stay active, even if it's just walking around the office or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Small changes like these help me stay fit. For lunch, I focus on eating something light but satisfying, like a salad with grilled chicken or fish. I prefer meals that are low-calorie but still full of vitamins and nutrients. In the evening, I make sure to relax and spend time doing something I enjoy, like reading a book or listening to music. This helps me unwind after a long day. I also avoid eating heavy meals too late, because I've noticed that eating a light dinner helps me sleep better. Finally, I prioritize getting enough sleep each night, aiming for at least 7 to 8 hours. It's crucial for both my physical and mental health. Having a healthy routine has not only improved my fitness, but has also helped me feel more focused and calm in my day-to-day life.
Question 1. What do you do in the morning to start your day?
Well, I always kick off my day with a jog in the park. It really wakes me up and gets my energy flowing, so I feel ready to tackle whatever's ahead.
Question 2. How do you maintain your energy levels throughout the day?
I like to have a healthy breakfast, usually some oats with fresh fruit and yogurt. I've found it really helps keep my energy up. And of course, I keep drinking water in the morning to stay hydrated.
Question 3. What kind of meals do you prefer for lunch?
For lunch, I usually go for something light but still filling, like a salad with grilled chicken or fish. I try to keep it low-calorie but packed with nutrients.
Question 4. How do you stay active at work?
At work, I try to move around as much as I can. Even if it's just walking around the office or taking the stairs instead of the elevator, it's those little things that add up.
Question 5. What do you do in the evening to relax?
In the evenings, I make sure I unwind properly. I'll either read a book or listen to some music. Just something to help me relax after the busy day.
Question 6. How do you manage your dinner habits?
I try not to eat too heavy at dinner because I've found that if I have something light, I sleep way better.
Question 7. How many hours of sleep do you get each night?
I aim for about 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. I think it's super important for both my body and mind.
Question 8. Why is sleep important for you?
Well, it's really crucial. When I get enough sleep, I feel so much better, physically and mentally. Without it, everything else kind of falls apart.
Question 9. How has your routine affected your health?
Having a healthy routine has made a huge difference for me. I'm definitely more fit, but I also feel more focused and calm. It's like everything just falls into place.
Question 10. What benefits do you experience from jogging in the park?
Jogging in the park is awesome. Not only does it keep me in shape, but it also clears my head. It's like a mini reset for my mind.
Thank you so much for watching this members-only video. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. I will gather them and make improvements. Once again, thank you for your continued support of the channel. Let's work together to create a fun and enjoyable space for learning English. Love you all.